Okay, today we'll see how to deal with the UI, how to manipulate the UI, right? So I have few things related to UI. So we'll see that thing, how async task works, right? And other things works. We'll see. Now I'll give you some little demo. See, on the click of this button, I want to increment, right? I want to increment this hello world from 0 to 100. So there would be one, I want to see one counter which would be changing from 0 to 100. So that is my need. So I have basic setup right over here. Now what I can do is that, see, let me get that button reference r.id.btn okay dot set on click listener, and you can say this colon colon click, right? You can say this colon colon click. Okay, now here is the method, which is nothing but the click. I am using Java 8. This is a method reference. Okay, now on the click of that button I am going to do some code. So here you can say private void simple run, right? It is going to simply run. So what I will do is that, let me get the text view reference over here, because I want to change the text view. Text view is equals to find view by id r.id dot text info, right? I want to assign that to that above text info, and you can have for int I is equals to 0, I is less than 100, and I plus plus, like this. And here what you would be doing is that text view dot set text, right, string dot value of I want to assign value of I over here, string dot value of I, right? And on the click of this, let me call simple run method over here. Now you might be expecting that this loop is going to iterate from 0 to 100, and this text view would be getting the same values, right? This text view would be getting the same values. Now let me run this code and see what happens. Let me run this code. So here you would be getting, now if I'm going to tap this button, right, I should get some counter to that text view. See, but it's giving me directly 99. Means you are expecting some delay over here. You are expecting some delay. So we know in the Java, delays can be created by waiting or stopping the thread for a few time by using the call thread.sleep for half second. Thread.sleep for half second. Okay, then you can say surround with try catch interrupted exception, like this. Now it is expected to get the output, right, from 0 1 2 3 4 till 100, right? Let's see what happens. Let me run the code and see what happens if I run this code, right? Now you will see something different, you will see, which is not expected at all. Why? Because on which thread you are calling this sleep method? Question is that you are asking which thread to stop, and the answer of that question is UIThread. Can you see? This is pressed only. This button is pressed only. I cannot do anything over here. Your UI is getting lag. You can feel that lag over here. And once you would be reaching at the certain amount of time, you would be getting one dialog on your screen, which is nothing but the ANR. Yes, application not responding. You would be getting that dialog over here. What should I do? Should I wait or should I continue, right? Do you want to wait or do you want to quit the app? So that dialog you'll see over here, right? Okay, now here as per the demo, you'll say that, okay, you said that if you are going to call thread.slip over here, right? Means you are lagging main thread. Now you can tell me to create new thread, right? You can say that please do everything inside new thread. What's the problem, right? Okay, now how to do this thing in the new thread, right? How to do all these things in the new thread, and what are the impact of that on your UI, we'll see in the next tutorial. But this tutorial, what tells you what is the problem. I want to achieve something, and this is the problem. I want to achieve something, and I'm getting this problem over here. Now, what is the solution? By current scenario, creating the new thread, because it is lagging the main thread, and that's why my whole UI is getting disturbed. Okay, how to do that thing, we'll see in the next tutorial.